Today, I wanted to take you with me to Costco to see what they have in new right now. They have a ton of items from furniture to swimwear to Easter items. So let's go take a look around Costco and see what they have in this week. All right, so Costco is putting out a ton of furniture pieces right now. This is that time of year. They have this piece right here, which I love because can you see the curved detail in that? So the top is curved, the colors are nice and neutral, and right now it is $200 off. So you can get that for $500. If you didn't know, Costco is a great place to get electronics. So if you're looking for a new TV or something like that, you might want to head over. They had that one for $370. This lamp right here, thought it was cute. So you get $10 off, so it's $30, and you can hold a bunch of things in there and you can charge your phone. You see it has a little spot to charge your phone. You can hold your things, and it is a good desk lamp. That's great for like space saving. This right here, so they have a few different desks. So they have this one right here, which is a nice corner desk for $450. Then they have this one. This was a more traditional style one right here. Comes in the wood tones right there. It has a lot of great storage in it, and that one is $500. They have this is the box for that one right there, and then they have this one right here, which is a standing desk. So this one is $300 and it's adjustable. So you can use it standing, you can lower it, higher it, you can do whatever you want. This, I sat in this, love the way this feels. So it's a lazy boy chair. The cushioning in it is great. I'm telling you, it felt great. $200 for this one right here. I thought about picking that up because I do need a new desk chair. So that one was really nice. They have a ton of vacuums right now. So they have this one right here, $500. This one is nice and sleek, small, so you can store this easy. You see the compartment is up top there. They had a lot of different Dysons at my Costco this week when I went. They have this one right here, which was on sale for $150 off. So that would be $500. They just had like a ton of different models, different styles. So you can find one that is for you. This one was $70 off, so I made it $280. They had this shark right here. So if you're looking for a vacuum, you might want to head over to Costco. BJ's had a ton too. That one was $200 right there. This one right here, $200. So you, like I said, a ton. They had this steamer right here. So it's a steamer and an iron. They say it comes with the different attachments for the front. $50, not bad for that. This fan right here, everybody swears by this one. $40. So they have those out right now at Costco. So you might want to grab that one because they went fast last year. This right here, so you can get that one for $480. This one right here, the air purifier, for $130. And it's just a nice simple design right there. So it's not too big, not too bulky, and it wouldn't, distract from your home or anything like that. They have this dehumidifier for $180. Just a ton of different things. I saw this. I did not see it on the floor. So this was somebody's cart. So I didn't want to, stay too long. But they had this nice headboard here, but I didn't see it on the floor. So, if you see something you like, you might want to grab it. This hand vacuum right here, the Shark Wand Vac. They have this, the like robot vacuum right here. So you can see the prices right there, $80, $320, and they were on sale. Both were on sale. They have this Shark right here. Just like I said, a ton of different cleaning items that you might want to take a look at. And you can see these are on sale, $340, $95, $220. This set right here, so $115, and you get all of these pieces. They are stackable. So if you're looking to organize your pantry, your refrigerator, or something like that, I think these would be more than enough pieces to do that. Electronics, like kitchen electronics, they had a ton of those. So you see they have this air fryer here. They have this instant Dutch oven here. That one was on sale, $35 off, so it was $135. That one is a 5-in-1 there. They have microwaves, so many different things. We see this every time, but I do love it. So if you're looking for a vanity or something for your bathroom, this one is just nice and simple. I think it'll fit in a lot of different places. It has a ton of storage. $850. It has a slight marble detailing on the top there. You can see all of that storage that it does have in it. I think that one is great. They have these baskets for storage right here. So they have this set of 3 for $22. Then they have the single one for $14. So this is the single one right here. and it came in that color at my Costco. And then this is the set of 3 right here, so you'll get all of those pieces. This laundry basket I thought was cute. It has the wheels, it looks industrial. $50. I thought that was cute. This, if you have a ton of produce or things in your kitchen or someplace that you want to store, they had these 2 basket holders, and I thought those were cute. So you might want to grab those, and those will be great alongside your counter. This right here, this little nightstand or side table, thought that was cute because it was nice and small and compact, and it would fit in, with a nice small space, especially for something small. So that was 130. This lamp I just thought was so pretty. So you can see it on the box. It's a little clearer because with the lights reflecting, it's hard to get a good look at it. But that one was cute. I think it was like $100. That was a good deal. This spice rack right here, so it's a ton. It holds a ton of spices for $30. This right here is great. So you can expand this over your sink and you can strain items. These pastry mats, $17, and they're great because they're like non-stick and they came in different sizes. So those were great. This dish rack, another compact item, so $30, and you can have this on your counter. Just another item that is great for a small space. So if you have a small space, you might want to grab that. Just a ton of different things for the kitchen. So this knife set right here, I thought it was cool because of the wood box that it comes in. It makes it look fancy. Dish, it's flatware. So you can get, the fork and spoon sets, $30 for that one. They have them a bit higher, but you're going to be getting more pieces in it. And then you can see the bottoms are different. So based on, the look that you're going for, you can just grab a bunch of different dishware, like flatware sets. This knife set right here, $28. And you get 5 pieces in this one. I thought that one was great. So if you are preparing your home for like summer entertaining, different things like that, you might want to head over to Costco. They have these cute little Easter baskets right here. So they came in different colors, and you get the Easter basket for $20 and then a big bag of chocolate for $13. So it came with, to me, it looked like a ton of candy and a cute little reusable metal style basket. And like I said, it came in different colors for those. And then these are the chocolate Easter eggs. They were kind of big too. And it was like about 2 pounds, I think, of those. This is kind of like the shade that we saw at BJ's. This one I don't think has the weighted bottom to it though, but this one was $150 and it has the little solar lights in it. Thought that was neat. If you know anybody that likes flying kites, so they have the little nylon kites out, and they open up really nice and big. They had a ton of different prints in those. $16. So I thought that was cute, something fun to do. $15, and they have this little snow sled. We really haven't had any snow, but if you are in an area where there is snow, $15, this would be great to grab and have some fun. They have a ton of camping things because that season is coming up. So they have the big ones that close with the rooms. They have the just the canopy style ones for like outdoor, like dining and stuff. They have this one right here, just a ton of different ones that you can pick from right now. At least at my Costco they had, and they went from $159 to about $240 for those at my Costco. This right here, I'm just noticing from the picture that you can sit up in it. It looks like you could sit up in it, I think. And then they have the table right here, which is kind of a mesh, if you can see, and then it has the different holders on the side. So you can get the table for $30 and the cot, I think, was $50. This lawnmower right here, so if you and you can see, look, you fold it up and you can store it away. So if you're looking for something that is easy to store, $600, you can grab that lawnmower there. They have this, I thought that was cute, to hold your hose, and they didn't have a tag, but I can't imagine it's that much for that one right there. This right here, this gazebo, they didn't have it displayed, but it was 1900, and then you can see here the measurements and things. So if you're looking for a gazebo, you might want to head over to Costco and pick that up. Some more storage. So this is 130, and it's a great size if you're looking for storage for some of your items for outside, especially like pillows, different things, gardening things. You might want to grab that. Another cool shed, which it was set extra large, and it was. These are the measurements right here for that one, but it was $450. And then you can see from the inside, I measure it by people. I don't know, you can fit about 5-6 people in there. It was nice, tall. Yeah, you can fit about 5, 6 people in there comfortably because that was just half, and then you have the other half. So that was cool. This, outdoor game. I'm scared of things like this though. But the little axe and throw thing, $75. This right here, this little raft, and it was 250, and it seats 2 people. This one I love. I seen it last summer too. So it's like a little party boat, basically. 160, and it's inflatable. I love that one. This one right here. So this one is inflatable, so it's easy to store. You can see the big bag it comes with, and then it blows up to this size. $400 for that one. So you have to worry about, having to store that in the off season, and it comes with all these different things, so you can get the paddles, all that different stuff with it to help you inflate it. If you're looking for another type, they have this foam one right here for $450, and this is how big this one is. This one is not inflatable, it stays like that the whole time, and then these are all the parts that it does come with, and you can see the little seat you could put there in the middle. So if you are into outdoor water activities, you might want to grab some of those. Of course, Costco is going to be a great place to grab like fleeces and things. So these are so pretty, the colors in them. $10, and they had them in multiple colors. It was a nice weight. It has the half zip in the front. Love those. The little kids, the Puma items. So you can get you a little hoodie. You can get you some matching pants to go with it. So you can see the hoodies are $10. The joggers are $10, and then you can get a 2-pack for $14.50. So these are great, and they go up to I think $14.16 for the kids. So these are always great to grab, and they are inexpensive. So if you're looking for something, you might want to those are nice. And then of course more women's clothing. So you can see the little heathering in these. I think those are pretty, and these are nice spring colors too. So those are great. And then they have these, another lightweight piece that you can grab. These right here, the Mark New York, so $15 for the joggers. So they're the rib joggers, and you can see the little ribbing detail in those, and those came in a few different colors at my Costco. And then you can get the matching jacket for $17, and it has the same little ribbing detail in it, so you can put together a 2-piece look. You can wear them separately. The Champion sweatshirts, and these came in pretty spring-like colors too, so you can see those on the somebody there. So $18 for those, and those came in a ton of different colors. Thought those were great. So like Costco is a great place to find clothing. This, the little KitchenAid mixer. So these are always great. Everybody swears by these. So these came with a different attachment. So you'll get all of these different attachments with it. It's a 6-quart professional. And then it was on sale. So you can get $80 off, which makes it $320, or you can get the Vitamix for $322, which was $80 off. And it comes with those 2 cups and the machine, and you can do all your juicing and stuff like that. Rugs. Costco is a great place to get rugs. If you didn't know, a lot of these were on sale. You'll get different styles, different sizes. So that one was $240, and if you can see the pile on this, it's like nice and fluffy, so my fingertips are hidden in that one. Then they have some with a lower pile. So that one was $160, came in those different prints. This one $200 with $50 off, so it came to $200. And this one is a lower pile. They have the little faux animal print ones, and these are just, they look so pretty. And save yourself some money and grab that because it's only $60, and to get another one from a high-end store will be so much more. Another great cabinet piece right here. So this one is $300 off, so it is $450 for this one. And I thought the color was just real nice and pretty. I'm not even sure the camera is really picking it up the way that it was, but it was just a real pretty color. This chair right here, another cute one. So it has the little accent nails on the side. The cream color is so cute. And this one was on sale too, so you can grab this one for $150, so that's $100 off. This sofa we have seen before, but I just think it is a great sofa. It is $16.80 right now at Costco. So if you're looking for a sectional, you might want to grab that. Some outdoor seating that I thought was great. So you can get this whole set. So you get the 2 chairs, and then you get the little table that goes in between. So that is $11.30 for that. And I just thought it was great, especially the way the table was angled, and they recline. So you get two outdoor recliners. This set does not recline, but it's still just as cute. $700 for the set. You get the side table in this one too. So you might want to grab those. Bedding. So Costco, like I said, is stuffed right now with some great finds. So $70, this one was on sale, and it came in several different sizes, several different prints. So you can grab that if you're looking for some new bedding. They have options for the kids there. So they have a lot of different prints for that based on what your kid is into. And that came in a cute little set too. And these weren't priced bad either. So you can get those for $40. So if you are looking for some things, you might want to head over to Costco. This, you've seen it all over Amazon, where you can organize your storage bags and different things like that. So they had that there for $19, I believe. Swimwear. This swimwear, okay, $19? $19 for this, and it came in all sizes. So they have this print right here. It has a little strap details on the back. It has like support up top. They have a black one right here, and the back kind of looks the same as the other one. And then they had the animal print one right here, kind of like with a V-neck. And then it had the crossover adjustable straps in the back, and again in all sizes. So you might